Alright, welcome back. Sketchup for schools, our tongue drum. So far we've drawn our one end, one side. This video is fairly simple. We're going to simply duplicate these parts and place them together to give us four sides. So it's important that we have created components and we can tell it's a component, because if you simply click once, it'll put a big box around the whole thing in blue. So for this we use the move tool, which should be down here somewhere, or M on the keyboard. There it is there. Now, actually the best way to do this, because this seems to work a little bit better if we do it like this. Select your component first, then choose the move tool, or M on the keyboard. Two things we've got to do here. We've got to rotate and we've got to duplicate. Now notice down the bottom, pick points to move, control equals toggle copy. We actually do want to copy when we don't want to simply move this one piece. So let me show you what will happen. If I click this one piece once and then move my cursor, it moves that piece. But if I hit the control button now, control on the keyboard, just hit that once, click it once, it's created a copy. That's good, that's what we want. And I'll just click over here somewhere to place it. Now, we still have our move tool selected and we still have this component selected. Let me change my view a little bit. Now notice as I hover my mouse over this top surface, I get these little red handles. So it's got to be on the top surface, not this surface. It has to be the top surface. And click one of those handles. Simply click once. I'm not dragging. It's a click. And we want to spin that around 180 degrees. Or in our case, we're starting on that green axis. Now if I look down the bottom right here, we were starting there. Well, where was it? There. We're starting at a -90. And we're going to move our cursor right around to a +90. Now if we can't get exactly 90, simply type 90, press enter, and it'll set that correctly. If you drag it or click it in the wrong place, make sure you do an undo with the undo button and start again. If we get the wrong angle, it'll always stay the wrong angle. Now, we need to place this into this corner. So this corner needs to fit into this corner. So I'm going to zoom in and make sure that I've still got the move tool selected. Notice that. I'm going to click once in that corner and it should snap to that corner, and click once. There we go. Spacebar, and deselect that piece. Well, no, I don't want caps lock, I want shift. I want to hold down shift and drag that across. Alright, now we just need to duplicate this piece, and it's exactly the same process that we just went through. So move tool, M, sorry, we'll do this back to front. We'll select the component first, then the move tool, click once anywhere on that piece, click once, and then hit the control button, and then click to place. Now we need to rotate that 180 degrees. There's our handles. So click once. It's not a drag, remember, it's a simple click. And it's starting at -180, so it'll probably come right around to 0. Now if you can't get exactly 0, type 0. Press enter. Alright, we've still got move tool selected. So this corner of the rebate, and if you can't see it properly, change your view with the middle mouse button. Rotate your view. So this point, and make sure we're on that point, goes to this point here, point to point, and click to place. There we go, we've placed our four pieces together. That's it for this video. Make sure you click save. good.